Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Here we will be seeing how to install Latex on your computer and how to write a sample IEEE paper on the Latex. So first of all, we need to install the software. The software that I am using, it has multiple parts in it. As you can see here in this in this folder, we have a basic mictex and then some other files. We have an instruction here. You can download this software from my website. I will be giving the link in the description of this video. So first of all, we have to be sure that the installation procedure should follow this sequence. First of all, we have to install the basic mictex, then GoScript 900W32, then 491, and finally the WinEdit, where we will be doing our programming to write the paper. So first of all, let us make this thing happen. It is a simple procedure. As you can see, there is no much things in it. So let me install it here. Okay, it will take some time. After this, we are going to install the GoScript 900W32. Now this sequence is important because I have experienced this, that if we disturb this sequence, the system it do not work properly. So we have to follow what is written in the instruction. All the papers that we will be dealing or we will be writing in the Latex will be in the instruction in the WinEdit format. I have actually it was easy for me to skip this thing, but I know that there are some errors always that happened in doing the installation. So I have decided to make a full-fledged video of it, so that it will help all of those who are willing to use the Latex. Remember, for the Latex, there are all the websites that are, for example, elsewhere, IEEE, Springer, they all have their own Latex format available. Even all the universities, they do have some Latex template available for writing the thesis reports and for the assignments and other short communications. So it is actually a closed. It is actually an open loop system where you don't you cannot give direct feedback like in the Word format. However, it gives a very a synergy. It has the document, overall document has a lot of synergy in it, that gives a very soothing look, because the line spacing between the words and the inter-word spacing is automatically adjusted, which is far more better than the Word. As far as I know, the Word, I found it difficult um, to write my papers. So meanwhile, when we will be having this thing, the other two are okay. After which we will be downloading one template, and we will be seeing how we can adjust that template in the WinEdit format to work. So we have completed the Mictex setup wizard. So we will now close this one, and as per the instructions, the next one is the GS 900W32. We are going to install it as well. Excuse me. And this is not going to take much time because it's a small software. We're just going to install it as it is. Okay, now this is also installed. The next thing is this GS 49W32. We are also going to install it, obviously in English, and this is also installed now. Now the final work is this WinEdit software. We are going to install it as well, so that will end our Latex simulation installation. So this is, remember, this is the freeware software available from the WinEdit website as well. The advantage here is that you don't need to buy the license here. However, it has a disadvantage that after the license expire, it gives you very itching. It actually gives you annoying messages of that kindly purchase a software and etc etc. So now that we have this system installed, you can see here this is the whole thing where we are going to work. The basic things that we can see here is we can have a lot of things available here that are included for the to textify the document, to open a document, and to close a document. So first of all, let us download one document here. In order to download some template, let us write download IEEE Latex template, and we click over here, and we have a lot of results here. You can find it here. However, I think it is available in this IEEE conference publication template available. See here, there is Latex available. You can download it for the Windows as well as for the only for the Windows. So we have downloaded this thing. This is IEEE We're going to unzip that folder, and whatever we will be dealing in this software or in this paper, we have to to make it sure that it always stays in the same folder. So here you can see I'm going to extract this on my desktop. Okay, now there is a problem here. Okay, let us see what happened. Okay, I think that something has happened here, but we do have this paper available. Okay, it is not 100% downloaded. Let me download it again. Okay, archive contents. Let me download this again. Okay, now this is okay. We have downloaded this thing, and we have seen a lot of files here available. So there are some file that is this CLS. The CLS stand for the class file. So whenever you see that you can, whatever you write in your template, the class file decides how it will appear at the output. So for IEEE they have their specific class files, and for elsewhere they have their own class files. So class file actually decide your paper is in 2 double column format, line spacing, and etc, font size, etc etc. So what we are here more interested is in, we will be seeing this bare conference.txt. I will drag this one and will drop it in this WinEdit format. Okay, or I can open it from here. In the desktop I have this IEEE transaction folder available and this bare conference available, and this we can see here there are a lot of things available. This is the .txt file, and let me we can build a tree here that will decide the table of contents, the bibliography file, and other things. So as you can see here, this percentage sign actually makes a comment on this file. So if I simply try to run this file, I have to PDF or textify this file. So first of all, let us see, because there will be a lot of things that we are required to download. So let me click here. When I click here, you can see there is this window that provides us some information about the ongoing process. and it will be requiring some updating as expected. Okay, so it do not require this thing. So what you can see here, it has this is the basic format of the what you call of the IEEE's conferences. This is a this is the title. Here are the names and their affiliation, and the abstract goes here, introduction, and as well as the reference. So now we have to see how we can simply write the paper in IEEE format. Now first of all, my advice is to get rid of these comment things, so that we can have a clear picture of what our paper is. So from here your paper starts. This thing states that this is your document class, and you can put a lot of other files here in it. For example, you need some sort of graphics and other classes available that are good to handle the JPEG, the PNG files and other photo stuff. So let me close this one as well. Use package.cite. See now this is the citation package we are asked to to put. So let us put it here, use package, and if we have other thing available, I'm going to make it. Let us okay, I will be using this package as well. This is to handle the graphics here. It's a very good package. I will tell you how we will download it and how we can incorporate this in our system. Okay, now we have a math package as well, but we are not going to use this one right now, so we are going to comment that one. We will leave it as it is. And then we have lot of other packages available here. We are not going to use this sub package or other things. Okay, everything goes here. So we are very close to a clean document where we can just put our things and they will work. Okay, so now here it actually starts from here. You have to begin your document here, and you will write a title here. So the title, let us suppose, is sample IEEE paper on Latex. And now this is our author's name. So this is the first author. You can write, you can just write first author here to see how it changes, and then there is and in this way you have, and this is the second author and the third author and so on. So now we have to run this program, and you will see here there is the abstract. The abstract goes here. You can write it multiple times here, but that is what you will get in the PR. So it do not have any keyword. So if you want to have a keyword, you can just write slash and begin keywords, and it will give you the keywords. After this we have this introduction here, and then subsection. So we can make sections and subsections here. So but let us first see if it works or not. Now you can see it requires to see, this is now this is asking us to install that package that we have described above, that we need it. So for that we can just install it, and this is good because these packages are more often required, mostly not in the IEEE conference, but when you are writing the thesis, you should know how to add a package in your system. Okay, now you can see here this abstract goes here. We have changed the first author name. The first author name is here, and the and the introduction is here. Now we are going to see how we can add sections, subsections, another thing. But I think for that we will be using another video. This is that we will be uploading shortly. Thank you very much.